Hi guys, this is Mrs. Clanton and we are going to get ready to do some segment and write. So if you do not have some magnetic alphabet letters out or a piece of paper and a pencil, or maybe you even have a dry erase board and a dry erase marker, I want you to pause this video really quick and I want you to grab something because we're going to tap out some words. We're going to write some words and then we're also going to practice reading some. So pause it if you don't have the supplies and go get them quickly. All right, so our first word that we are going to be working with this week is the word yip. Everybody say the word yip. All right, get your fingers out and we're going to tap the word yip. Ready? Ya, ip. One more time. Ya, ip. Okay, and now we're going to build it. So if you'll look on Mrs. Clanton's screen, she's going to grab ya, I. Now, if you don't have letter tiles, you could have wrote the word. So Mrs. Clanton is going to write the word yip. Are you ready? Everybody help me sound that out and you can write it too. Ya, I, yip. Now let's go ahead and point and say our sounds. Ya, I. What word? Yip. Very good. All right. Either clear your board or get ready for our next word. Here we go. Our next word is the word yum. The word yum. Let's go ahead and tap that out. Are you ready? Ya, mm. How many sounds do you hear? Let's tap it out one more time. Ready? Ya, mm. All right, let's go ahead and build it if you can. If not, you're going to write it. Here we go. Ready? Ya, mm. One more time. We can write it again if you've already wrote it once. Ready? Ya, mm. Okay, here we go. We're going to say those sounds. Point and say. Ready? Ya, mm. All right. Put your stuff away or clear your area so we can get ready for our next word. Our next word is rags. Rags. Like I have 2 rags to clean my window. Let's go ahead and tap that out. Here we go. Ready? Ag. One more time. Ready? Ag. All right, let's build it, or maybe you're writing it. Here we go. Ag. Rags. And I'm going to write it now. Here we go. Ready? Check your board or check your area. Ags. What word? Rags. Very good. All right. Here we go. We're going to do one more word. Are you ready? Our next word is yet. What word? Yet. Here we go. Let's tap it out. Ya, et. One more time. Ya, et. Here we go. Let's write it. Ya, et. Point and say. Ya, et. Okay, here we go. I know I said one more word, but we're going to do just one more word, I promise. Here we go. Are you ready? This word is yelp. Everybody say that word. Yelp. Here we go. Tap it out. Ya, e, o, p. How many sounds is there? Ooh, there's 4 sounds, so we're probably going to have 4 letters. Here we go. Ready? Ya, e, o, p. Here we go. Ready? Ya, E, O. Okay, get ready to point and say with me. Ready? Y, E, O. What word? Yelp. Okay, very good. All right, get ready for old word, new word. All right, the first word that I want you to write on your piece of paper, or you could build it with letters, is I want you to write the word met. Here we go. Ready? Et, met. Okay. All right, this word is met. I now want this word to say yet. Yet. What sound would we need to erase to make this word say yet? Yeah. Ooh, that doesn't make sense. Here we go. We're going to erase the and put the ya. So now my word is, great, good job, yet. Here we go. This word says yet. I want this word now to say let. Let. What word or what letter do you need to erase and change to make it say let? Ooh, that doesn't make sense. Let. All right, here we go. Last one. This word says let. I now want you to make this word say lit. What word? Lit. Here we go. Oh, eh. Ooh, that doesn't make sense. Oh, eh. Great job. All right, get ready for your next task. All right, on your screen, you should see some words, okay? So here in just a second, I want you to pause this video and I want you to practice reading the words, but you're gonna start at the vowel. So you're gonna spot the vowel, read the vowel to the end, and start again. Mrs. Clinton will do the first one. Here we go. Ready? Ip, ya, ip, yip. I'm gonna do one more. Here we go. Ready? Am, ya, am, yam. Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to pause your video and I want you to read these words up here. Great job on reading your words. The last thing that I want you to do is I want you to do your vowel rivers, okay? Mrs. Clanton will do the top one and then I want you to pause the video so that you can do both of the vowel rivers. Here we go. Ready? I, a, aw, e, a, aw, I. Now it's your turn, but you're going to do this one and this one. Once you've done your vowel rivers, you are all the way done.